pasa? ¿Qué tal estáis? Bienvenidos de vuelta. Welcome back. How you've been working on your notes much? I'm sorry I'm so annoying, but you need to do some work on your own, yeah? We need to continue. And now we are facing written production and we're focusing on the opinion piece. So let's get to it. The essay, the opinion piece. Choose the best side to approach it, okay? Forget about your personal opinion, okay? If it fits from it, perfect. But if you feel like you can offer a better piece on the opposite side, go for it, yeah? Be practical. And one thing I always tell my students, don't fall into the trap, since you know, like the essay question is linked to the long comprehension, the second one. Don't fall into the trap of picking from that comprehension and just copy pasting into the opinion piece. That's not gonna be good. The examiner knows, the examiner is alert, okay, and is gonna identify all those structures and cross them, okay? So be original, be very original. That's important. You need to show off, you need to impress. So get a booklet before the exam, scribble down everything you need before attempting the opinion piece, brainstorm the topic in your head, brainstorm in your booklet, and then scan the paper and pick everything from your knowledge that you're gonna be able to use in the opinion piece, okay? Write it down, plan, write a sketch if necessary, all the paragraphs, okay? And let's get to it. Think, reflect on the effects the title, your thesis, your opinion has on you personally, your environment, on your country, island, and the world, el mundo, see? That's gonna offer a broader picture that the examiner is gonna appreciate much. The essays, first part, of course, the introduction, okay? You need to put the question in context. Why are you discussing this issue? What's your opinion on the matter? Be very clear about it because you're going to go back to it at the conclusion. So say what you're going to do and use 2, 3 maybe, okay, of this expression and stick to them. Remember them always. You can forget the rest, okay, and stick to the model for the opening, for the introduction of your opinion piece. En primer lugar, it's a very standard, very nice expression you can always use. See? Go through your notes, you have all the list there. The main body of the essay is going to be, of course, you know this, the arguments in favor, the arguments against, okay? One idea per paragraph should be fine, and always get clear about your point, your evidence, okay, and in which way you add in to the opening, introduction, and getting closer to the conclusion to give a sense of fullness, yeah, to the opinion piece. You can use all these nice expressions that you have in your notes. You can choose one. My favorite one is por esta razón. But you decide, stick to those 2, 3 and use them. Forget about the rest. If you are contradicting yourself, you have another series of expressions in the notes too. If you're giving personal comments, and then straight into the conclusion, go back to the introduction. Don't introduce new ideas, but don't phrase it in the same way. You need to give a small twist to the introduction, okay, by means of rephrasing the opening idea but in a slightly different way, okay? So give your opinion if possible, and again, stick to 1, 2, 3 of these expressions and use them well. So guys, now you know how to attempt the opinion piece. You have all the tools. Go to your notes, find the samples from real students, okay, and try to assess, as if you were the examiner, these pieces. Go through the actual marks, the actual grade provided by the examiner. Let's see if you're right about it, if you get the big picture, okay? And of course, keep on writing all the time. Muchas gracias. Gracias por escuchar. Thanks for listening. Hasta la vista.